Everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can find and update your paid ad notification settings. So the first thing we want to do is sign into our command, which is agent.kw.com. We're signed in here with our KW login credentials. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to navigate over to our marketing applet. It's this megaphone or bullhorn here on the left-hand side. So we're going to click on that. And from there, we're just going to click paid ads up at the very top. Now, when we are in our paid ads, it's going to bring us to a separate screen for that. Now, when we're in here, we're going to click this little person icon right here in the top right corner. Click on that and click My Account. Now, under there, you can click Notification Preferences, and you can go ahead and you can see all of the different notifications here. So it will automatically give you critical alerts about issues that affect your ability to run programs. We can go ahead, you can toggle on account setup notifications, billing and subscription notifications, program status, program operations. So you can adjust those notifications. But we also have the option to adjust our lead alert preferences. In here, you can add emails to receive notifications. You can add more than one email here. So we could go, enter in an email here. We can click add and we can have multiple emails that will receive notifications about our paid ads. So we can have just one, we can delete them after we've done that. So you can add multiple emails. You can add auto responses for emails here as well. So we can auto respond via email. So we can go ahead and turn that on if we wanted to. We have the option to add a phone number for SMS notifications of your leads. So you can get those in, and you can also choose to auto respond via SMS. Specifically, if you have your Twilio account connected, it can auto respond for you. Alright, so that is how you would update your notification settings here. If you have any questions or if you run into any snags with any of this, please feel free to reach out to us via email. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we are always here and happy to help out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.